What's the meaning of almost? Almost. 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 Almost.
Almost is an adverb used to indicate that something is very nearly but not quite complete or perfect. It implies that there is a small difference between what has occurred and what could have happened. The use of almost suggests that there was a high likelihood of something happening, but for some reason, it fell short of the expected outcome. For example, if someone says they almost won a race, it means they came close but did not actually win. Overall, almost expresses a sense of near completion or achievement without quite reaching the intended goal.